Hello everyone, my name is Sholichatul Ilmiah as the representative of Group 1. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to penetration test. Number 1 is test piece. Number 2 is developer. Number 3 is cleaner. Number 4 is the penetrant liquid. The added equipments we're gonna have for this test is light meter, the calipers, and the last one is the lamp. First thing first, we have to make sure that the material is free from the dust or residual from the previous test, and we will use cleaner to clean the material. Before we use the cleaner, we have to shake it first and just spray it into the material. And just let it dry for about a minute. Just let it be evaporated. Next, just to make sure that the material is clean from the cleaner, just rub the towel into it. After that, we have to spray the penetrant liquid into the material, but first thing first, we have to shake it, just like the previous step. And let it dry for about 10 until 15 minutes. We have to make sure that the penetrant liquid is absorbed into the material. After that, we clean the surface of the material with the towel. The next step is we have to spray the cleaner liquid into the towel, so we can use the towel itself for cleaning of the penetrant liquid. Next, to find the indication in this material, we have to spray the developer liquid into the material so that we can find the indication. After the spray, we have to wait for about 5 minutes. As you can see, there are red colors in this material, but for your information, it is not considered as an indication because it is just a boundary for the test, not the indication itself. Unless these 2 points of red colors, we don't find either the red color or the pink color, so we can conclude that there is no indication in this material. The red color shows us about the true indication, while the pink color shows us false indication. Based on the requirement that we have to make sure that the light intensity we used is 100 light candle. And how to check it? Just put the indicator into the material, and then we can see here the number is bigger than 100, so yeah, it is satisfied. As a final step of this testing, just clean the material prepare the towel and spray the cleaner into the towel. Don't forget to shake it. And after that, just wrap the towel into the material. It will be better if we just do it in one direction. If you feel you need more of cleaner, just spray it again into your towel. So that's all about my explanation about this task, the penetration liquid testing. Bye bye.